Hello students, since we have started the third chapter and done with the first subtopic, now we are moving on to the second one, that is the tribal communities. Let's just dive in. Tribal groups are one of the oldest inhabitants of the subcontinent. So the tribal groups, it has always been there in our country or in the world, okay? So they are one of the oldest living groups. The term tribe was introduced in the colonial period. So the term tribe was for the first time used during the British rule when India was under the Britishers. In India, the term tribe was used to designate those groups that did not practice religion, did not have any written religious text. Sorry, the spelling of religious is wrong. Did not have any sharp class divisions nor caste divisions. So in India, those groups, those communities that did not have any religion, that did not have or practice any religion, did not have any religious texts like religious holy books, and who did not have any class or caste divisions were considered to be the tribals. So classification, how are these tribal societies classified? So they are classified on the basis of their traits, their characteristics. There are two, that is permanent traits and acquired traits. So permanent traits, so these are the traits which has always been there, okay, which cannot change or which is fixed. So let's begin. 85% of the tribal population live in middle India. Okay, so middle India is like Gujarat, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and parts of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. So 85% of the tribal population of our country are found in these middle India. Over 11% of the tribal population are in the northeastern states. So 11% of the tribal population of India is found in the northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, etc. And the remaining 3% are spread in the rest of the country. So the remaining 3% out of the 100% is spread all across the country. In state-wise basis, Northeast has the highest concentration of tribal population. So, if you compare states, the northeastern states have the highest population of tribal groups. Except for the state of Assam, all the states in the northeast have more than 30% of the tribal population. As you know, northeastern states are filled with tribal. It is dominated by tribal groups. So except for Assam, like about 30% of the population of the northeastern states are tribal population. States like Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya have more about 60% to 95% of tribal population. So there is more of tribal population in these northeastern states, and especially in states like Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. Okay. So in the rest of the country, tribal population is less than 12% except in Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. So in the rest of the country, all over the country, the tribal population is less than 12%. Please remember all these numbers except in Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, where the tribal population is higher than 12%. The tribals are usually found in the hills, forest, rural plains, and urban industrial areas.